Hi, this is Amanda with IBW Sales, and this is my first farming video, so please bear with me. I am no pro like Walter. This video is about the arrival of our new flock, 10 turkeys and 100 chicks, or polyps as they like to say. Did you know that you can order day-old chicks online, and the U.S. Postal Service ships them priority mail? Interestingly, UPS and FedEx do not ship live animals. So the turkeys arrived first. They hatched on a Monday, shipped on Tuesday to arrive Thursday morning. But to my surprise, they arrived early. I received a call from the Georgetown post office around 4 p.m. Wednesday afternoon. The turkeys had arrived. Great. Here I am in Austin, needing to get 30 miles north during rush hour. That was fun. Made it just in the nick of time. So let's take a look at the new arrivals. Aren't they adorable? Okay, so now it's time for the chicks. They hatched on Tuesday, shipped on Wednesday, and did arrive 2 days later. This time the phone call came at 6:30 in the morning, waking me up. So I jumped out of bed, started the coffee, headed to the post office, just to find the place locked up like a fortress. Not a soul in sight. Okay, might as well head home. So I waited till 8 o'clock and tried again. Success this time. All my babies arrived safely. Okay, so there you have it. Our new flocks are settling in and growing fast. So like us on Facebook and watch all the girls grow. Thanks for watching.